Hey there, folks. If you're watching this, you're probably navigating the world of Social Security and need to schedule an appointment. Don't worry. I'm here to break it down for you step by step, especially with any updates for 2025. Whether it's for benefits, a new card, or other services, the process is straightforward once you know the ropes. First off, the easiest way to schedule an appointment is online. Head over to the official Social Security Administration website at ssa.gov. Look for the Contact Us section, and you'll find a tool called the Appointment Scheduler. You'll need to create or log into your My Social Security account. It's free and secure. Once you're in, select the type of appointment you need, like in person at a local office or a phone consultation. Pro tip: make sure you have your Social Security number, proof of identity, and any relevant documents ready to speed things up. If online scheduling isn't your thing or you run into issues, you can always call the Social Security Helpline at 1-800-772-1213. They're available from 8 a.m. to 7 p.m., Monday through Friday, and they can help you set up an appointment over the phone. Just be prepared for potential wait times, as things can get busy. For 2025, the SSA is emphasizing digital tools, so if you're tech-savvy, go online first to avoid long queues. Now, if you prefer an in-person visit, use the website to find your nearest Social Security office and check for walk-in availability, though appointments are strongly recommended. Remember, with post-pandemic changes, some offices might have limited hours or require masks, so double-check the latest guidelines on their site. Before you go, gather what you need: identification, proof of address, and any forms related to your issue. This will make your appointment go smoothly and help you get what you need faster. Wrapping this up, scheduling an appointment with Social Security doesn't have to be stressful. By using their online tools or calling directly, you'll be all set for 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Stay informed and take care. See you next time.